It's 2024 and you're still here watching these videos on how to make 2024 count. Don't worry, because everything I state in this video you must implement in your daily lives. If you want to make this year count, here are 8 ways to make 2024 count. 1. Set clear goals. In order to make 2024 count, it's essential to set clear and achievable goals, whether they are related to your career, personal development, or relationships. Defining your objectives gives you a roadmap for the year ahead. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart to increase the likelihood of success. 2. Prioritize self-improvement. Consider 2024 as a year of growth and self-improvement. Identify areas of your life where you'd like to develop further, both personally and professionally. This might involve acquiring new skills, pursuing hobbies that enrich your life, or even seeking additional education. Continuous improvement contributes significantly to a fulfilling and purposeful year. 3. Create a schedule. To effectively manage your time and ensure that you're making the most of each day, establish a schedule. Whether it's a daily routine or a weekly plan, organizing your tasks and priorities can help you stay focused and on track. Prioritize your activities based on their importance and deadlines, allowing for a balanced and productive lifestyle. 4. Healthy lifestyle. Make your well-being a priority in 2024 by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Focus on a balanced and nutritious diet, and ensure you get sufficient sleep. Taking care of your physical health positively impacts your mental well-being, enabling you to tackle challenges with resilience and vitality. 5. Digital detox. Amidst technological advancements of the modern world, it's crucial to take breaks from screens and social media. Embrace moments of digital detox to promote mental clarity, reduce stress, and foster more meaningful connections in the real world. Mindful use of technology ensures a healthy balance in your daily life. 6. Stay informed. Stay informed and updated on current events, industry trends, and relevant information. Reading books, articles, attending conferences, and engaging in continuous learning keeps you intellectually stimulated. Being knowledgeable not only enhances your personal growth, but also positions you well in both your professional and personal life. 7. Financial planning. Take control of your financial well-being by setting clear financial goals and creating a budget. Whether it's saving for future endeavors or investing for long-term financial security, sound financial planning provides a sense of control and stability. Consider seeking advice if needed to make informed financial decisions. 8. Cut out all the no's. For the final point on how to make 2024 count, you must cut out all the no's. Cut out all the toxic people, cut out all the social media, and cut out all the distractions that will affect you. Remember, you said you will make this year count. So, you tell me, is 2024 going to be another year in which you regret? Or will it be the year that your life goes in an upward spiral, which advocates on your success? The choice is yours, and always I pray upon your upcoming successes.